なるぽんさん、なるぽんさん。How do you feel? なるぽんさん。なるぽんさん。Come here, なるぽんさん。How do you feel, なるぽんさん? I hope you not get scared.
Ouais, mets chicken down.
Cute. Naるぽんさん、なるぽんさん。
Oh, bueno, ya.
なるぽんさん。Did you like it?
Let's switch sides. Let's face it that way.
Is it possible?
Should be. Remember we saw it. We saw a kid like that, remember?
But what we gotta be careful is sunlight, you know. Without knowing, he'll get a lot of heat.
Are you still filming?
You don't like it? Should be fine. Should be fine. But how do you close?
That's why it's one person's up. I just did this.
Oh.
Oh, his feet.
He doesn't look good, honey. He doesn't look good. He doesn't look good. That's not the way we can do. That's not the way we can do. Honey, never do this because he gets sick.
Not only that, his feet.
No, it's not only the feet. It's also the position.
Let me see his feet.
Look at that.
You see, I can close his feet.
Now also, you know what he looks?
What?
Okay, you can check the video later.
Close.
Okay.